What is LAMA, LAMA? That I will tell you later in the video. But first you need to understand what is really happening in our stock market. If you are still not participating, you are not buying shares, you are really very good. Because right now you have to invest your time in your studies, in building your career. There will be enough opportunity to do or not to do trading. Investment is little different. The economic survey tells about the Indian financial market, Indian capital market particularly. Despite of the geopolitical risk, rising interest and volatile commodity prices, capital market has been one of the best performing among the Indian market, reflecting India's growth story. There was return of 26.8 on Nifty. AI-led stock surge was observed in all the markets. In the India story, there is a comfort from global market and domestic investors are also investing huge. India is 5th in the world by market capitalization, which is the value of the company listed in the stock exchange. But this is not all to be happy about. As the economic survey says, if the equity market claims on the real economy are excessively high, this is a harbinger of market instability rather than market resilience. GDP to market capitalization ratio has increased in India to a very high level. Economic survey says it is essential to strike a note of caution. The reason is proliferation of the technology. Now people from all part of the country, even in a small amount, are able to participate in the market. There are today 9.5 crore individual investors in the market and they have about 10% of ownership, direct ownership in these 2,500 listed companies, around 36 lakh crore of the wealth, and it says that 28 lakh crore shall be invested in asset under management. The reason we all understand are user-friendly trading apps, mobile-friendly education resource, people giving you lot of misguidance. Also, I am telling you, if you are thinking of building a good strategy by watching YouTube videos or by listening to some of the so-called experts, then be very, very careful. The survey mentions about LAMA here. LAMA stands for Log Analytics and Monitoring Application. It is a kind of API that monitors platform to review the IT structure and perform analytics, because it has happened in the past. There have been problems in the servers fail, and then there are different kind of clues people get. Large number of payments are done by violating the rule. Overall, economic survey is giving a word of the caution on a very fast growing capital market. You are finding this video helpful? Please like and subscribe to the channel. We are here to make your job 50% faster.